Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to set or how to actually change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all, let's switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video simply, and you can see, if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can open the settings, so simply swipe your finger from the top to the bottom quickly, and as you can see, the second position is connected with the resolution, so the option we're looking for. After tapping on it, you can see that we've got two different options from which we can choose. The 1080p option applied, which is currently applied. It is highlighted, but also we've got it notified in the camera itself. So all we can do is to set the 720p, so just tap on it, and as you can see, it is notified here, but also here in the right upper corner, and it basically means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a new video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.